Oguta Lake, the jewel of Imo State. Nestled in the serene town of Oguta, Imo State, lies one of Nigeria's most remarkable natural wonders, Oguta Lake, popularly called Ogbrid by the locals. It is the largest natural lake in the southeast and the second largest in Nigeria, after Lake Chad. More than just a body of water, Oguta Lake represents history, culture, tourism, and livelihood for the people of Imo State and beyond. The lake is unique in many ways. One of its most fascinating features is its confluence with the Urashi River, where the two waters meet but never mix. One side greenish blue and the other muddy brown. This natural phenomenon has drawn comparisons with the River Niger and River Benue confluence in Lokoja. To the people, it is not just a geographical wonder, but a sign of nature's mysteries and blessings. Culturally, Oguta Lake holds deep spiritual significance. The people of Oguta revere the lake goddess Uhamiri Ogbuidi, who is believed to be the guardian of the waters, known for beauty, wealth, and mystery. Folktales and traditions passed down from generations still echo around the lake, making it a place where myth and reality live side by side. Festivals and traditional rites linked to the lake continue to keep its heritage alive. Economically, the lake has always been a lifeline. Fishing is a major occupation around its banks, providing food and livelihood for thousands of families. In the colonial and post-colonial era, Oguta town was an inland shipping port due to the lake's navigability, contributing immensely to trade and commerce in the eastern region. From a tourism perspective, Oguta Lake is a hidden treasure with untapped potential. Its calm and scenic beauty makes it perfect for boat cruising, picnics, and relaxation. The Oguta Lake Resort was once a vibrant tourist center with a golf course, accommodation, and recreational facilities, attracting both local and international visitors. Though it has lost some of its former glory, the site still carries an unmatched charm and is gradually regaining attention as Imo State pushes to revive tourism. Beyond its beauty, Oguta Lake is also of strategic importance. During the Nigerian Civil War, the lake was a naval base for the Biafran army due to its accessibility and strategic location. This adds a layer of historical depth to the lake, making it not just a natural wonder but also a silent witness to Nigeria's turbulent past. Today, Oguta Lake stands as a symbol of nature's generosity to the Igbo people. It is a place of peace, reflection, and cultural pride. With the right investment in tourism and environmental preservation, it has the potential to compete with some of the most famous natural attractions in Africa. In truth, Oguta Lake is not just water in a basin. It is a story of people, tradition, survival, and beauty, a jewel that continues to sparkle in the heart of Imo State.